This is James. He was excited to buy his new laptop for college. He put it on his credit card and made sure to pay the minimum as advised. A year later, he was shocked to learn that his debt had more than doubled, and now he doesn't know how he will pay back that balance. He was also taking a course about finance, but it only talked about balance sheets, income statements, and nothing about managing personal finances. Well, we have realized that James is not alone in this. According to Stat Canada, 49% of Canadian students have debt at graduation.
Research shows that money is one of the biggest stresses for students today. 48% of Canadians reported losing sleep because of financial stress, and if this goes unchecked, it could lead to serious health conditions such as anxiety, sleep problem, depression, and high blood pressure. Newcomers to Canada also face financial stressors. Between 2010 and 2018, Canada saw a 154% increase in international students. Those students, just like James, have a lot of stress emanating from financial worries. Credit rating, credit history, T220 tax forms are some of the financial terms that are new to them.
Knowing this, at Enactus Fleming College, we decided to conduct a needs assessment. We discovered that many students feel they lack the knowledge and skills in dealing with their personal finances. Research shows that this worry also goes beyond graduation. 77% of Canadian graduates under the age of 40 have some regrets about the money that they spent during their post-secondary education.
The solution that Enactus Fleming College brings to this is to empower the students to find a path towards financial freedom. We highlight the importance of a balanced life by giving them the key to success and happiness through Keys to Me. Keys to Me is a series of workshops for students by the community experts with the objective of empowering them to take control of their lives. Focusing on sustainable development goal number 4, quality education, our financial freedom workshops go beyond classroom learning. These workshops coach students how to analyze their income and expenses, how to pay off debts, file taxes, improve credit rating, build an emergency fund, focus on savings and investment.
Unlike other financial literacy workshops and YouTube videos, our workshops take a holistic approach. We focus on building emotional intelligence and life skills so that the participants become more emotionally aware and proactively be able to control their own lives through adopting habits of effectiveness and balance.
Our workshops also take a practical approach where the participants analyze their own income, priority, and spending and develop an action plan that fits their life to improve their financial well being. We then follow up with them in a subsequent session where experts review with them their progress and help them adapt their plan as per their needs.
But it takes more than financial workshops to achieve financial and emotional stability. We also run workshops on career building, stress management, emotional intelligence, and entrepreneurship. So far, Keys to Me has conducted over 16 workshops impacting over 300 students.
We have been able to draw on the knowledge of financial experts through partnerships with Kawartha Credit Union, Fleming College's Career Services, and School of Business, but we are just getting started.
To achieve financial sustainability of the project, we will be partnering with banks and financial institutions for sponsorships and collaboration, who are keen on attracting students as future clients and investors at an early stage. Additionally, a survey with students also shows that they are willing to pay a nominal participation fee to develop their financial knowledge, skills, and habits. In this year, we are targeting to conduct 12 workshops impacting over 250 students.
Recently, we established a new partnership with the New Canadian Centre. With the help of our experts and partners, we're developing workshops for women entrepreneurs, thus focusing on Sustainable Development Goal number 10.2, Reduced Inequalities. These workshops will empower these women while helping them to integrate into their newly adopted community in Canada.
In this project, we believe that financial success is not a destination, it is a journey.
At Enactus Fleming College, we are helping students to get started on this journey and unlocking the door of happiness and freedom to Keys to Me. Thank you.